Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to share a template in Notion. To share a template in Notion, these are the steps that you need to take. The first thing to do is to sign into Notion. Go ahead and launch any browser of your choice, and in the search bar type notion.so. Follow the necessary prompts to sign in, and of course after signing in, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Notion. Now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to share a template in Notion. First thing you need to do is to open the template page by navigating to the page or database that you want to share as a template. This is my page that has a database and I want to share it. You can find your pages at the sidebar or the left navigation panel. Now, once you click on that, click on the share button at the top right corner of the page. Okay, here we go. Now, go ahead and share the template. In the sharing menu, you have a couple of options. One include invite, and of course you have the publish icon. You have the publish tab. You have share to invite people, and then you have publish to publish it. Now, click on this communication bar to add specific people to access the page. And once you do that, go ahead and click on invite. If you want to share to web by not necessarily adding people into your page, go ahead and click on this copy link button in here, and then once you click on this copy link option, then you'll be able to share to the public. You can make the page accessible via a public link, which is the link that can be generated from here. Now, if you selected this copy link to get the URL, if you selected this copy link, it means you'll be able to get the URL for public access of the template. Then, once you're done, go ahead and send the copied link to anyone you want to share the template with. They can use this link to access and duplicate the template into their own Notion workspace. If you're sharing a template within a database or as a part of the Notion workspace, you can go ahead and add a template button that allows users to easily create a new page based on your template. To do this, you can add a template button to a page and configure it to use the template you want to share. Now from here, you can go ahead and click on publish if you want to publish this template. Now click on publish option in here, and once you do that, you can enable duplication or you can disable duplication, and then you can of course customize the sites. You can add search engine indexing, and you can also set your link expiration and go ahead and click on view site. If you want to unpublish, go ahead and click on unpublish, and that's all for you. Following the steps, you can effectively share templates in Notion, allowing others to access and use your pre-designed structures or layout. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.